Hey everyone, it's Michelle, the handstands part of Handstands and Handcuffs. Gary got me a pretty epic birthday present this summer and we wanted to share this adventure with you all. We did the City Climb, which is the highest open-air building ascent in the world. This amazing climb is located just above the Edge in New York City, and in order to complete this challenge, you need to climb the outside of a skyscraper over 1,200 feet in the air and lean off the edge of the outdoor platform overlooking the city. This is definitely not for anyone with a fear of heights, but we loved every second.
Unfortunately, we were not allowed to take our own camera or phones with us, but you do receive a video of your climb and you can purchase pictures as well. No loose items are allowed on the City Climb course, and all your belongings must be stored in one of their lockers. This whole experience took about an hour and a half, and we felt very safe the entire time. All climbers must wear a harness and are secured into the course with lanyards attached to a trolley. Even if you are afraid of heights, there is pretty much no way you could fall. Hopefully.
This was by far my favorite part of the course. Everyone in our group was scared to lean back off the edge, but I am a daredevil and live for stuff like this. This was definitely an unforgettable experience.
As you can see, I was not nearly as trusting of the harness as Michelle was. I wasn't ready to test the maximum threshold of the rigging. I'm also not nearly as crazy as my wife, but that's a whole nother issue.
We were lucky to make 2 new awesome friends on the tour, and we still keep in touch with them on Instagram. Your City Climb ticket also gives you access to the Edge, and we headed there right after our climbing adventure. The Edge is the highest outdoor sky deck in the Western Hemisphere, and you could soak up incredible views of New York City while leaning out over angled glass walls and even walking on a glass floor. The Edge is more than 1,100 feet up and has more than 7,500 square feet of outdoor space. Also, if you couldn't already tell, we both received a medal for completing the City Climb course, and Gary was very proud of his.
It can definitely get a little crowded on the Edge. There were a ton of people there when we went on June 24th, but we still had a fantastic time and were truly in awe of the views. There are a lot of opportunities to take some pretty epic pictures here. It's a little touristy, but we would consider this a must-see when visiting the city. Alright, just so you know, we are at the Edge in New York City. As you can see, it's a beautiful day, and we're up top New York City. But the main thing is, we were all the way up there.
Another perk of doing the city climb is that the vessel is right across the street. This spectacular work of art is the centerpiece of the Hudson Yards Public Square. The vessel is shaped like a honeycomb and rises 16 stories with 154 flights of stairs. We loved exploring around here and would love to go back one day.